Hi kids, welcome to section 4.6 online banking. Today we're going to talk about all the different ways that you can incur banking charges for ATM withdrawals, for statements, for wiring money, for all sorts of things. So do you bank online? Do any of you guys bank online? I used to be totally against banking online because I didn't want like everything out there, but nowadays that's what everything is coming to. So banking online is kind of the way to go. So imagine it's 1 a.m. and you need to monitor your bank account. Well, you can only do this using online banking or internet banking. So internet banking allows you to view your account, pay bills, and transfer money anytime. Most of you probably have an app on your phone that helps keep track of all your purchases. That's something that has kind of been developed over the years. Internet banking is very popular because all you need is an electronic connection to the internet to view your account, pay bills, transfer money around the clock. When you bank online, you need to maintain a record of your activities in your check register. One feature of online banking is that you can download your current transactions and put the information into a computer program, like an Excel spreadsheet, Microsoft Money, Quicken, or a Google Sheets, and that will contain a check register. So you might be charged for those services, so always look into it first. Once you've logged onto your account at the online bank, you can transfer funds from checkings to savings or savings to checking. You can make loan payments from checking to loan accounts. You can make payments to third parties such as utility companies, or you can get information about account balances, previous deposits, previous withdrawals, and loan balances. So basically, everything that you can do in person, you can do online, therefore only stepping in the bank to actually start your account. So today we're going to talk about all those different service charges that can be applied to your account. Now, every bank has different service charges, so we're going to talk about a couple different varieties today, but these are in no way the same as the ones at your bank. And sometimes, depending on what kind of an account you get, will be different service charges. So it's really important, kids, that you look at your own accounts and see what the service charges are at your bank. So here is one example of some service charges. So you can see over here on the right, we have a basic monthly charge for using online banking. Bill payments, the first 5 are no charge. So any payment that you make after 5, you get charged 50 cents. $4 for a printed statement in the mail. $5 to replace your debit card. $25 fee. This is a really important one. So if you write a check for more than you have in the account, not only will a check not work, but you will get charged $25. International wire transfer. So if you're moving money out of country. And then here's a really important thing to think about: ATM transaction charges. If you're using your bank, you have no charge. If you're using a bank that's within the regional network of your banks, you get charged an additional $1. National network is $2. Out of network is $3. And if you're doing any kind of cash advance, it's 2% of the amount with a $10 maximum. So these are the service charges that we're going to practice with today, but keep in mind these are not the same as at your bank. So example number 1, compute the total service charge using the table at the right. So Alan Booker's service charges include the basic charge, 8 bills paid. He requested a printed statement, a lost card replacement, and 4 ATM transactions, 2 of which were in the national network and 2 of which were out of network. What are Alan's total fees for the month? So let's see. He's got the basic charge, which is $6.95. He paid 8 bills. Now, you get 5 for free, so that means he had 3 bills at 50 cents. Then he requested a printed statement, which was $4. A lost card replacement, which was $5. 4 ATM transactions. 2 were national, so that's $2 a piece. So 2 times $2. and 2 out of network, so that's $3 a piece. So 2 times $3. All right, so we can do the math here. We got $6.95. 3 times 50 cents is $1.50. Then we got the $4 and the $5. Let's see, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 3 is 6. So altogether, his service charges are $27.45. Now, these service charges could be out of date. As technology progresses, they might change some of the service charges. So these might be out of date, but the same idea applies. You need to make sure that you're up on whatever your bank is doing. Okay, letter B, Cindy Parker's service charges include the basic charge, so that's $6.95. Let's see, she paid 6 bills and you get 5 for free, so that's 1 at 50 cents. Then we got 1 overdraft, so that's 25. Then we have 1 international wire transfer, so that's 20. We got 3 regional ATM transactions, so that's 3 times $1. And we have a $500 cash advance, so it's 2% of the amount. So that's 500 times 2% or 0.02. So we got $6.95, we got 50 cents, we got $25, we got $20, we got $3, and 500 times 2% is, hold on, oop, 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 500 times 2% is $10. So if this 10 was any higher, then I wouldn't have to pay more than $10. So something to keep in mind. This gives me a total of $65.45. That's a lot of service charges. But then again, when you write checks, overdraft for more than you have in your account, that can get really pricey. All right, let's look at a different set of service fees. So these service fees, let's see, the basic fee for here is $12.75. Each bill payment is $1. A printed statement is $5.25. The overdraft fee, this one is $35. Any local ATMs are free. Regional or national network is $3.50 a time. That's crazy. Out of network is $6.75. And the cash advance here is 3.75% with a $15 maximum. So example 2, compute the total service charge using the table above. So Cynthia Johns uses online banking. This month, the following fee showed up on Cynthia's statement. The basic fee, which was $12.75. She had 2 overdraft fees. So that's 2 times 35. She had 4 bill payments, and each one is $1. So we need to find the total of Cynthia's online banking fees. So we got $12.75, this is 70, and this is 4. So that gives us a total of $86.75. Expensive. All right, letter B. Billy Melton enjoys the convenience of online banking. This month, the following fees showed up on Billy's statement. The basic fee, $12.75. 1 regional ATM transaction, so regional is $3.50. 3 overdraft fees, so 3 times 35. And a printed statement charge, $5.25. What is the total of Billy's online banking fees? All right, so $12.75, $3.50, and 3 times 35 is 115, I think. Ooh, not bad. 35 times 3 is 105, plus the 525. That gives us a grand total of $126.50. It's those overdraft fees that'll get you. So kids, be very, very careful when you're writing a check that you don't write it for more than you have. All right. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And as always, keep calm and keep trucking.